Sons of Rachel's maidservants, Bilhah, Dan, and Naphtali. The sons of Lee's maidservants, Zilpah, Gad, and Asher. These were the sons of Jacob, who were born to him in Paddan Aram. Jacob came home to his father Isaac in Mamre, near Kiriath Arba, that is Hebron, where Abraham and Isaac had stayed. Isaac lived 180 years, then breathed his last and died, and was gathered to his people, old and full of years. And his sons Esau and Jacob buried him. If you are not following Bible readings, you are probably never going to see us again. If you are, then congratulations, you are growing every day.